Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hand tracking uses the Quest 2 front cameras and onboard software to detect hands. The system relies on clear camera views and consistent lighting in the room. Clean the lens with a microfiber cloth to remove smudges or dust before testing. Position your hands within the center 3 feet of the headset field of view. Keep movements natural and avoid rapid occlusions or extreme rotation. If tracking seems unstable, toggle hand tracking off and on from the settings menu, and then retest. First, open Settings, go to Device, then Hand Tracking and toggle it off. Fully reboot the Quest 2 by holding the power button for 10 seconds. After reboot, return to hand tracking and enable the feature again. Test tracking while standing 3 feet from the play area under even lighting. Remove sunglasses or masks that might block camera vision. If problems persist, try factory recalibration by following the on-screen hand calibration prompts in the same menu. Check for system updates and install the latest firmware over Wi-Fi before deeper fixes. Updates often include improved hand models and camera optimizations that aid tracking. Clear the play area and reset the Guardian boundaries to remove nearby clutter or reflective surfaces. Avoid reflective clothing or shiny jewelry that confuses the cameras during tracking. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up saves and noting account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.